Everyone that is trying to reach a CIO, a VP of supply chain, manufacturing, these guys are very, very difficult to engage and get hold of. What we present through our programs is a window of opportunity to meet with 20, 35, or even upwards of 50 of these senior level decision makers in a day and a half. Shortened sales cycle, ROI, they are the cornerstones of what we're looking to deliver for our sponsors. This business model working well is contingent on having good information. What we've become very effective at over the years is actually extracting a wealth of detailed information from every delegate attendee. So as these guys go through the registration process, we'll want to understand what their pain points are, what challenges they're grappling with. Based on that information, we can really do a very good job now of connecting them with the industry-leading solution providers that can really deliver value to them. These one-on-one meetings done well deliver huge value for the delegate attendees as well as for the sponsors. For the delegate attendees, if they come out of this finding 2, 3, or 4 solution providers, that's a huge win for those guys. Clearly it's a massive win for the sponsors because that's how you get business. With our turnkey packages, we even go as far as providing hotel accommodations for each team member, 5-star catering throughout the event with drinks receptions, with open bars, with gourmet lunches, with buffet breakfast and snacks and refreshments from start to finish. And it's all 5-star. We always look to try and do something a bit more casual and fun on the Monday evening, where it's more of a relaxed, informal environment. And we'll pick venues for an off-site. We've done football stadiums many times before. And we're always looking for an environment that really promotes engagement and networking. We have an absolutely phenomenal operations team. Our VP of Operations has been with us for over 10 years. She is exceptional, she's meticulous, and that's represented through the whole team. From start to finish, the team is there to support and ensure that it's smooth and seamless.